Hello folks, this is Drew Burns with another video for Introduction to Technology. Today I would like to talk to you and my future students about some ways to find better sources for your history projects online. Now there's a lot of great information you can find. One place that I love to start is Wikipedia. That being said, it's not a valid source for anything you're going to write as far as material goes. It's a great place to maybe get started, to look, to find ideas, but after that you need to search for more legitimate sources. How to find more legitimate sources online? It's a little easier than you think. Just start going through your sources. You'll see pbs.org, you'll see globalsecurity.org, right? Now what you're really looking for though is something that is a .edu or a .gov. These things are always completely verifiable and the information is always extremely correct. And if you look hard enough, there's always something that you'll find along those lines. If you look right here, we've went through 5 websites, and down here at the 6th, we get a .edu from the McAdams, which is a presidential library. This would be a good source. It would be nice to temper it with more if you could get, we'll look right here, is also a .gov. So just within the first page, we found 2 sources that are completely verifiable and that works great for a history program. This is just some beginning information I'd like to relay to my students. That way you don't get too far into your project without having the correct information and without having to start over and finding brand new information. Thank you so much for your time.